write in light, select light, and put lights wherever you want to. Let's make this map a little bit smaller. We don't need that much room. That is okay. Check. Check it like that. Check, check, check. And only thing is left is roof. Sorry about that. I just don't like big maps. So this is our small map. I'm not really sure how to add zombies in levels because I haven't done any map like 100%, so I don't need zombies yet. But when I find it out, I will tell you. I'm sure. Maybe we want some ladder, maybe. Just take some texture. I don't really care what is it. Like that. Little edge. Smaller. And put it there. Like that. Little cliff. Make it a little bit longer. And take this tool. Now you can make it look like whatever you want to, but don't use FreeCam because it screws it up. Go here, put it down, and put it there, like that. Now it's like ladder, and it goes in this damn floor, but you can't see it. Maybe this can be little zombie zombie pain room. You can spawn zombies, tanks and stuff like that, but remember this glass breaks. Yeah. Now we only have to test it. I will test it in another program, so you will see the map soon. Hello, I forgot to tell that if you want to run that map, press F9 in that Left 4 Dead mapping program, and it will run it automatically. When you have done it, put Left 4 Dead on and write in map and your map name. My map name is tutorial map in Finnish. Of course, now it will download that map, and sometimes the spawn doesn't work and it spawns you out of the room. It is simple to fix. Just open up console and now clip. And you can fly back there. Now it worked. See, but doesn't work because we haven't putted stuff like go there. Now every stuff works. Let's take shotgun and ammo, pills, pipe bomb, medkit, and as you can see there's 4 pipe bombs and 4 molotovs in one. Pistol, they don't end, ammo, like that. let's put cheats on. Cheats 1, and let's spawn tank. Youchie. Bots will shoot them, but that's about it. They don't do anything else. Yeah, that's the map. And when you throw 4 pipe bombs, they will end in this stash. Like that. Same thing with Molotovs. 1, 2, 3, 4. And they ended. Normal, 2 pills, 4 medkits, ammo. Yeah, simple map. And you can see lights because they're kinda in the roof or floor. You have to take them a little bit upper so you can't tell where the lights are. So yeah, that's the map. Bye.